There are numerous valued ingredients in our nature that feature remarkable health benefits. One such example is aloe vera. Aloe vera has obtained popularity in the past couple of years for the health benefits that it offers. As well as it's difficult for a thing not to become popular once it's attached to the word weight loss. There are incredible benefits of using aloe vera for skin, and there are some benefits of consuming it as well. The nutritionally dense plant has numerous advantages that are enough for us to start learning ways to include it in our diet plan. One of the most crucial benefits of aloe vera, which makes it popular, is it aids you in weight loss. Besides being packed with vitamins and minerals, aloe vera is believed to have certain active compounds, which might aid you cut a few extra pounds. It is also known to boost the metabolic process, which helps burn even more body fat, assisting weight loss. There are several ways to consume aloe vera. However, it has to be consumed in small amounts and avoided by pregnant women and those with frequent stomach problems and troubles like diarrhea or loose motions. Aloe vera juice is just one of the most popular ways to obtain the plant's many advantages. Not only is it easy, but it is known to boost the body's immunity. The variety of antioxidants present in aloe vera also helps deal with cell damages caused by free radical activity and strengthens your body immunity. One can just purchase a pack of aloe vera juice from the marketplace or extract the plant's gel. It may be bitter in taste, but you can always add a teaspoon of honey for flavor. Here we have a fast and simple aloe vera juice recipe packed with the goodness of lemon and honey that might help you lose a couple of kilos and enhance your immunity. Aloe vera juice with lemon and honey. Ingredients: aloe vera gel 2 tablespoons, lemon 1, honey 1 tablespoon, mint leaves 5 to 6. Method: you only need to do is blend all the ingredients well till smooth. Based on numerous health professionals, one can also combine aloe vera with various other healthy herbs such as giloy, amla or tulsi for even more health advantages. Be cautious not to consume too much of aloe vera considering that it can have adverse effects.